Hello friends, in this video I will show you how to replace the pickup roller assembly on HP Laserjet 1320 model. First, remove the paper tray. And let's see what we have here. So, here is our paper feed roller assembly. How to release it? There are two white handles on the both sides of the assembly. The left handle, push to the left and rotate like this. The same way the right handle. Now it's easy to release the assembly. Slide to the left this part, slide to the right this handle, and this is our old paper feed assembly. We have obtained a new ones. This is our new paper feed assembly. This is our old paper feed assembly. And in a reverse order, place back the assembly. Push the handle, then from the other side and that's it. We have a new pickup roller assembly. Thank you very much and good luck.